Spotted CSC files in your Windows system folders and wondering what they store. These files maintain offline access to network resources. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how Windows Offline Files Cache works. Before we wrap up, I want to emphasize our final step. We will showcase how a single, robust CSC file inspection utility offers maximum efficiency by solving hundreds of file type issues. A .csc file is part of the client-side caching (CSC) system in Microsoft Windows, also known as offline files. This system stores copies of network files locally, so users can access them when disconnected from the network. Users typically search for this file when trying to troubleshoot synchronization issues, clear the cache to free up disk space, or reset its database. The CSC cache is not a single file but a database stored in the protected C+ Windows/CSC directory. It uses a proprietary binary structure to manage file versions, permissions, and synchronization states. This design ensures data integrity and provides fast, transparent access to network files, even when the user is offline, by intercepting file system calls. We recommend using Microsoft Windows by Microsoft Corporation to ensure proper reading of CSC. Windows requires elevated permissions for the file, which dedicated software manages automatically. Windows grants only restricted visibility because these files maintain critical settings. The problem is often a missing file hook. Right-click the CSC file and choose Open With. Start with Microsoft Windows if available. If not, select another application from the list. If your CSC file will not open, do not worry. When the primary software doesn't work, we need to quickly isolate the error. Let's run through these 3 essential troubleshooting steps right now. First, managing through Sync Center. Access offline files configuration through Control Panel, then Sync Center to view and manage cached content. The interface displays available offline files synchronization status and recent sync activity. Configure sync schedules and conflict resolution policies through Sync Center for personalized offline file behavior. Next, avoiding direct modification. Never directly modify CSC files through File Explorer, as this can corrupt the offline file cache and break synchronization with network sources. All offline file management should occur through proper Windows interfaces, ensuring cache integrity and reliable network synchronization across user sessions. Finally, resetting the cache. If CSC issues occur, reset the offline files cache by stopping the service running format database commands and restarting. This procedure, documented in Microsoft support articles, resolves persistent cache corruption issues. Back up important offline files before resetting, since the operation clears all cached content completely. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.